we're still the same. We all got the blood of Eden running through our veins. I know sometimes it's hard for you to see. You're caught between just who you are and who you wanna be. If you feel alone and lost and need a friend, remember every new beginning is some beginning's end. Welcome to wherever you are. This is your life. You made it this far. Welcome. You gotta believe that right here, right now, you're exactly where you're supposed to be. Welcome to wherever you are. When everybody's in and you're left out, and you feel you're drowning in the shadow of a doubt. Everyone's a miracle in their own way. Just listen to yourself, not what other people say. When it seems you're lost, alone, and feeling down, remember everybody's different. Just take a look around. Welcome to wherever you are. This is your life. You made it this far. Welcome. You gotta believe right here, right now. You're exactly where you're supposed to be. Be who you wanna be. Be who you are. Everyone's a hero. Everyone's a star. When you wanna give up and your heart's about to break, remember that you're perfect. God makes no mistake.